Oh no.
There was a moment in time, a moment a few months back in fact, one where I had just discovered FPV, or at least the concept of it. I'd seen videos of people wearing goggles and piloting drones, and without much research, I decided to give it a go with what I had lying around the house. It took ages to do, but eventually I got everything set up. And then I went down a massive rabbit hole and got distracted by actual FPV, and never thought about this stupid idea again. Until now. That's right, I hit my random video idea generator and we're running with this one, I guess. For some context, I've been flying analog FPV for just over 2 months, and this is a dumb idea, and you should never do it. But on the off chance you're still waiting for your Cetus X kit to arrive, or you just like silly ideas, then this is the video for you. You will need one Oculus or any other VR headset will do. Thanks in part to late-stage capitalism, this one was left at my house by a friend who does house clearances. No idea of its origin and quite frankly tried not to think about it. Ugh. One camera drone. This Mavic Mini has been gathering dust and will be getting its first flight in ages. Any other camera drone will do as long as the feed goes to your phone. A phone. Preferably a smartphone. If anyone has any luck using a payphone for this experiment, then please message me. Step 1. Download Screen Stream to your device. If you're an Apple user, then there's probably an alternative app. I'm not doing the research for you, entitled Step 2. Start streaming your phone's display in the browser of your VR headset. Now I can see my phone screen on the headset. Time to check if we can see the DJI app. Yep, it seems like there's going to be some latency issues, so let's go and try and fly it underneath a bridge. Right after this message from our sponsor. Do you need to move house from anywhere in Europe to the Bristol Bath area, or from the Bristol Bath area to anywhere in Europe? Then Van der Massive is the company for you.
Van der Massive.
With over 10 years of experience in house moves and house clearances, Van der Massive will carefully take your stuff and put it where you want it.
Van der Massive.
Give Joe and the Van der Massive a call for a quote today and check out his new site and Van der Merch.
Van der Massive.
This ad is a payment to my mate Joe for the cool, albeit probably jizz-stained VR headset he left at my house. Also check out the website, I made it. Okay, so time to try out this silly idea.
Let's go through this bridge. Oh no. Oh no.
God, that's funny.
I mean, for a start, this is so strange compared to FPV, control-wise, let alone fucking latency. I mean, it's got to connect to some server somewhere before it gets to me. Oh god. Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah, I knew that in your spot.
Yes. Oh, this is fucking balls. As predicted, that was shit. I've got this other plan I need to go home for, so let's do that.
Yes, I had another plan. I was still convinced there was some sort of use case for this headset in FPV, so I went back to the drawing board. Reddit. I ended up on Reddit, and I realised I had everything I needed at home to perform this experiment and answer my new question: what will the Oculus be a better headset than my BetaFPV VR03 Goggles? The butt of the joke as it is in the FPV world. To do this, you will need 1. An FPV drone. I'm going to use my Meteor 65 as I can't be asked to leave the house. 2. A SkyDroid Receiver or similar. This is a real cheap one from Chinese Provence. 3. A micro USB to USB-C connector. This is a really cheap one from Chinese Provence. Next, we need to sideload a USB video viewer onto the headset. This can be frustrating, but you just need to breathe. Finally, let's attach the receiver to the headset and see if this works. Let's see if this works.
I've got an ad above my FPV feed right now. Just gonna see what the dog's barking at. Whoa, there's a little bit of latency here. Shit. It's bad, and I've lost signal. No, it's just by the gate. I wonder if I can crash flip it without seeing what I'm doing. Oh! Guess who's back? Right by the gate. Okay, here we go. I don't know why this is beeping at me. I tried something out with the controller. I'm up on the chimney right now. Oh, I can barely see what's going on, to be honest with you. I need to adjust this headset. Woo! Yeah, there's an obvious amount of latency that I'm not pleased with here. Oh my god. Whoa. So yeah, in conclusion, you shouldn't do this.
But what have we proven here today? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've proven that the BetaFPV VR03 goggles are the best goggles around, in my experience. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.